Standard metal, definition, components, characteristics, testing, selection, and advantages. Standard metal introduction. A metal is a strong material that is typically hard and shiny, and features great electrical and thermal conductivity. Iron is mainly composed in the ferrous group of metals. At the point when carbon, a nonmetal, is added to iron, the outcome is a common alloy known as steel. Metals have additionally been widely utilized as medical implants. What are standard metals? Metal is combined with either one more metal or non-metal ingredient to form a standard metal. To create a standard metal, the components are regularly melted, combined as one, and permitted to cool to room temperature. Many pure metals, such as gold's softness, contain inherent traits which make them unsuitable for some applications. In any case, metals can acquire strength and other improved chemical characteristics by combining them to form an alloy. By making a standard metal, other desired characteristics might be improved or added, like hardness, machinability, and corrosion resistance. What are the different components of standard metal? Standard metals discerning designers give incredible consideration to selecting the best and generally appropriate material for component construction. Factors that influence material selection: chemical properties, mechanical properties, cost, accessibility, compatibility with other system components, reliability, and appearance. While sourcing metals, it is of basic significance to have a uniform and consistent method for assuring metal properties meet the desired performance qualities from production lot to production part. Characteristics of standard metal. A few widely recognized organizations set standards that determine the material, chemical, mechanical, and metallurgical properties of metal materials. A clear definition of material properties is essential for all users all through the supply chain. Metal producers use standards to develop the correct formulations and process parameters and determine dimensional and tolerance necessities for their production. Engineers use them to select the most ideal metal for a project, both as far as its manufacturability and its end use. Below are a few characteristics defined in a metal standard. Compressive and tensile strength, ductility, hardness, toughness, fatigue strength, and corrosion resistance. These attributes can vary or fluctuate broadly between various kinds of metals and alloys. Even within one category, they can vary by the grade of material. Some processes may require metal to withstand high compressive forces, while others, such as in the case of wire forming, require a material with a high tensile strength that can be easily stretched. Manufacturers must also base material selection on end-use customer requirements. Advantages of standard metal. 1. Strong mixtures of positive qualities. Standard metals are combinations of different metals that retain good characteristics while excluding unwanted ones. 2. Workable and easily adaptable. Compared to pure metals, standard metals are also more adaptable. Standard metal allows for further modifications and the enhancement of specific qualities that are more preferred in different applications of workable material. 3. Built to withstand corrosion. Standard metals are combinations and compounds of several metals and nonmetals. While pure metals are chemically reactive and easily corroded, standard metals can be created to endure corrosion. What are the testing standards for a metal? The test standards characterize the material condition at the time of testing, sampling frequency, and reporting requirements. Material testing standard metals additionally reference testing standards applied for the inspection, analysis, and assessment of the metal's creation and execution properties for quality confirmation. Norms are regularly utilized by plants and metallurgical research facilities to decide the particular mechanical properties of creation parcel and assess its conformance to the material determination. The test standards or guidelines characterize the material condition at the time of testing, sampling frequency, specimen location, revealing necessities, and other test parameters. A salt spray or shower test is likewise utilized for the assessment of corrosion resistance. Conformance to a standard is assured through certification reports. Conclusion. Metals analyzers assume vital role in deciding the chemical composition of metal, which, in combination with physical and mechanical properties, is critical in determining its suitability and quality. Analysis of the standard metal, as well as the active one, at any time in the production process, is an essential step toward being mindful to satisfy quality standards. It very well may be expensive and time-consuming to stay aware of the prevalent plenty of standards and be familiar with their equivalent manually. Thanks for watching.